Hello. Today we'll be walking you through how to view all your contacts on our platform. This is where you find every contact on your account across all of your distribution lists. You can view all your contacts by selecting Contacts on the navigation bar on the left-hand side and then selecting All Contacts. While here, you will find every contact on your account across all your distribution lists. You can select individual contacts and view their details. You can even message your contacts individually from here and create filters to view contacts that fulfill your criteria. For a deeper look at a contact's information, we could do so by selecting any contact that we are interested in. When you select a contact to view, our platform will direct your browser to a new view with all of the selected contacts' data. This will include their phone numbers, email, distribution list that they are in, any custom data fields you may have created, and their activity history. To send a message from this view, we can do so by checking the box to the left of the contacts that we would like to send to. This will take open a new tab on your browser with the selected contacts as your recipients. If you need to view contacts that fulfill certain criteria, we can create a filter view of your contacts. This will be done by selecting the filter icon on the right side of your view. This will bring up a menu for you to choose some options to create your filter. Your options will be a distribution list or lists that your contacts belong to, as well as any dynamic targets that they belong to. The contact source, which is how your contacts were added to your contact database. Some contact sources include keyword signup, online signup page, manually added, and imported. Contact info. This option allows you to view all your contacts if they have a mobile number, landline number, or email associated with their contact. Date added. You may select a time frame in which your contacts were added to your contact database. These are some features that are available to you to help better manage your contacts while using our All Contacts view. Thank you for watching.